Hello, my name is Danny Villagomez. I'm a level 3 technician here at Jaguar Land Rover Cerritos.
I'm Anthony Reese. I'm a level 1 technician here at Jaguar Land Rover Cerritos.
And we are the lead technicians here working on the Defender 110 2025 Defender X trim. And we installed a various amount of accessories to include deployable roof ladder, expedition roof rack, deployable side steps,
Tow hitch, wheel arch covers, mud flaps, interior all-weather maps.
Pretty much comes with a lot of bells and whistles, including a hood decal and removable tow hitch. So here we have the Bonnet matte hood decal. It comes in the 90, 110, and 130 variation depending on your trim level. We also added the worn winch. It comes with a removable cover, so the winch is underneath here. Right here we have wheel arch protection covers for durability. We also have a side cargo with a locking mechanism for any additional accessories or tools. We have a spare wheel cover as well. It does come in black and silver. We also added a towing system that, in addition to that, has a tow hitch. We also added deployable side steps. Which can be activated or deactivated within the touchscreen.